Guys, let me show you one of the best options that you can use to win bet every day on Sporty app. Aside straight to win, double chance, fun and handicap and others. We have so many options that you can choose to win bet every day. It's easy and simple. So let's take some of these matches and see. The matches like uh let's take Chelsea for instance. So they have so many options. Some of the options are new. Something like this option. So this options is very simple, like this one. Home team or over 2.5. So either the home team will win or over 2.5 or what will come into the game. So it is two options. The one that will come in, you are better as what? As win. So we have, when you read it, predict if the home team will win or the total number of goals will be over a given line at a regular time. No wins if both outcomes do not what happen. So when you choose these options, it's very simple and what easy. Home team can win the match or 3 goals will come into the game. So when you take yes, it's likely that then if you want to choose that one, then you check their previous matches, then you tap here. So it will open. Then you check their previous meetings to find out which team is the best for you before you do the selection. So you check their head to head. So then we move on to the down here. So 3-1, 1-0, 4-3, 2-1. As you can see, so it's likely that over 2.5 or what will come into the game because per their previous meeting, you can see that 3 goals what came into their game. So you can choose that option. So either the home team will win or over 2.5 what will come into the game. Then the next one is away. You can also do the same thing for away team. Then we have both halves. This option too is very nice. Home team to score both halves. So will Brighton score both halves? You can say no or yes. That options. It's not likely that Brighton can score first half and at the same time score second half. It's not likely, but it can happen, but it's not easy. So you can choose what no. That options too is very what nice and easy. They have so many what options that you can choose from, and it's easy and simple. Then when you come here to you have home team or under 2.5. This option is very risky. So here you have draw or over 2.5. Then you can go for yes. Then we have this one too. Away or over 2.5. All these are very simple and easy option that you can choose. Aside with straight win, double chance, over and under, you can choose this one too. This option that is very unique and simple is that it gives you two options. If any of the options happen in your game, you have won. So if away win, you are free. If 3 goals come to the game, you are free. So it is two options for you. So you can choose yes, away or under 2.5. Then we have home or go both team to score. So here you can choose yes because it's likely that uh, both teams will score. Then we have draw or go both teams. So you can choose yes. All these are best options that you can choose from Sporty Bet. It's very easy. So when you are doing bet or when you are staking bet, you don't have to go anytime straight to win, double chance, over. No, you can choose other options like these options to draw or any clean sheet. You can choose yes or what no. Either draw will come into the game or one of the teams will keep clean sheet. It's simple and what easy. You can choose two options. Any option that will happen, you are better as what you have in the bet. So they have so many what options. Away team or any clean sheet. Then I have other options over here. It's very easy and simple. That one I like it. I normally use it. So we have, let me check it. Okay, this one too is very nice. Both halves under 1.5. That one you can choose no because Chelsea can score 2 goals. Brighton too can score 2 goals. I'm looking for. Okay, this option too is very nice. Both halves over 1.5. So it's not easy. It's not likely that Chelsea first half Chelsea will score 2 goals. It's not likely. And Brighton too is not likely that Brighton will score 2 goals first half and second half too. You can also score another 2 goals. No. So here you can choose both halves over 1.5. You can choose no. Then you take this one. It's very simple and easy. This option is very what Nice. I'm looking for another option. That one too is very what easy. So let me go into the games. So here is my favorite option that I normally use. So let me come to the mainstream. So they have new one over here. That one too is very easy and simple. So you can try your hands on it. It works perfect. It works perfect. It's very easy and simple. And you can use it. Okay, it is here. Okay, here is it. So these options, it says that any team to score 2 or more goals in a row. So can Brighton score 2 goals in a row? So he will score first goal, second goal. Chelsea will not score some. So if it is yes, then you take yes. So Brighton cannot score here any team. Okay, so he's saying that both teams, either Chelsea or Brighton, can any of the two teams score 2 or more goals in a row. So when he score the goals, there shouldn't be any equalizer. Like first goal, second goal should come from one team. Can that happen in the game? So if it is yes, then you take a yes. Because Chelsea can score first goal and second goal without any equalizer. Then if no, then you take this one. And so it is likely that any of the two teams, one of the teams can score 2 or more goals in a row. It's likely. Then the second option too is any team to score 3 or more goals in a row. So can both teams, one of the teams score 3 goals in a row without any team score or equalize any of the goal. So Chelsea can score first goal, second goal, third goal. Brighton cannot what? Score some. Can that happen? Or Brighton score 3 goals without Chelsea score some in a row. So that one is not likely that it will come. It can happen, but it's not likely. So you can take no, because one team cannot score up to 3 goals in a row without any of the teams who had equalize it or score some. So it's not easy. So here that one, I normally choose these options. Yeah, I normally choose this option. Go 3 goals in a row. It's not likely that one team can score 3 goals in a row. So you can choose that option. Then the next one, home team to score more goals in a row. So can home team Brighton score 2 or more goals in a row? Then you choose yes. Then you can choose no. But this match, you can do it with other teams. You can also use another teams to do the same thing. Then this one you can take no. Chelsea, home team to score 3 or more goals in a row. This one is not easy that it will happen. So you can take no. Away team to score 2 or more goals. So away team is Chelsea. So can Chelsea score 2 or more goals in a row without Brighton score some? So first goal, second goal, can Chelsea score it in a row? Or can I don't think Chelsea can do that. If they can do that, then you take yes. If they can't, then no. Then away team to score 3 or more goals in a row. If it is no, then you take this one. So it's easy. So it's not any time that you go for straight win, double chance, clean sheet, handicap. No, you have so many options that what you can use to also what win best. So these are some of the best options that you can use. In another video, I'll bring you more options and explain it to you. If you don't understand anything too, you can leave a comment under the comment section and I will help you out. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share for others to enjoy some. Thank you. Yeah.